G'day my culinary champions and welcome back. Today we're making a classic Italian staple, my version of Napoli sauce. This simple yet flavoursome sugo is perfect for any pasta dish, pizza, or as a base for other sauces and dishes. Let's get cooking. Heat some olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the diced onion. Minced garlic, thyme, and grated carrot. Saute the vegetables until they are soft and fragrant. This is about 5 to 7 minutes. Pour in a splash of your favourite red wine to deglaze the pan, scraping up any of those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Simmer until the wine has reduced by half. Next, add the crushed tomatoes to the pot. Now these can be tinned tomatoes, as I'm using here, or they can be fresh. But if you're using fresh, remember to skin the tomato first. We can do that in a different video. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer. Add the paprika, salt, and pepper. Continue simmering for another 20 to 30 minutes or until the sauce is thickened. Remember, each time you remove the lid from the pot, to direct the steam away from yourself to avoid getting burnt. For a smoother sauce, use an immersion blender to puree the sauce after simmering, or cool slightly before sticking it into a blender. Next, stir in the basil paste, or your chopped fresh basil, and cook for an additional minute. Remember to taste and adjust seasoning as necessary. You can add more salt, but you cannot remove it. You can also add a pinch of sugar to balance out the acidity of the tomatoes. Remove from the heat and let the sauce cool slightly before serving. Now this classic Napoli sauce is a versatile and delicious addition to your culinary repertoire. Enjoy.